L&L Hawaiian barbecue. Ingredients: 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 1 cup of soy sauce, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of ketchup, 1/4 cup of sherry, 1/4 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. Instructions: 1. In a mixing bowl, whisk together soy sauce, brown sugar, ketchup, sherry, honey, vegetable oil, minced garlic, and minced ginger. 1. This will be your marinade. 2. Place the chicken thighs in a large Ziploc bag and pour the marinade over them. 2. Seal the bag and toss the chicken around to ensure it's fully coated. 2. Place the bag in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or overnight for best results. 3. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. 4. Grill the chicken thighs for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side or until they are cooked through. 4. You can also use a meat thermometer to ensure that the internal temperature of the chicken has reached 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. 5. Serve with steamed white rice, macaroni salad, and a side of vegetables like grilled zucchini or bell peppers. 5. Garnish with chopped green onions or sesame seeds, if desired. Enjoy your homemade L&L Hawaiian barbecue.